Okay, we're doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. See, here's our marshmallows. And that's Travis. He's ready to do it next. Okay. Chubby Bunny.
1,
He's a good counter, too.
2,
Chubby Bunny.
3,
Chubby Bunny. Really good. Chubby Bunny.
4,
That's it.
Oh, you kill me.
That's really. Oh,
You can't eat them. You're not supposed to eat them.
what is them, Jonathan? Stop. Chubby Bunny.
Five.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Look at fucking Mariah Carey go over here.
1, Chubby Bunny.
2. I'll count for you, Travis.
He's better less than you are.
Chubby Bunny.
3. You're not helping, Timothy.
Sorry.
Chubby Bunny.
4. You can do it, Travis. Number 5 coming up.
Chubby Bunny.
5. 6 coming up.
Chubby Bunny.
6. 6 marshmallows. That was 6. Yeah.
That's 6
I
right
know.
there.
No, that's 7. That's number 7.
No, that's 6.
No, it isn't. I was counting.
Oh, okay. Don't choke.